Greetings from Shreeya and Hasti to everyone. Today we will start with the introduction to C programming. The topics that we are going to cover today in this video are identifiers, keywords, variables, constants, escape sequences, and operators. So the first is general aspect of C. C was originally developed by the great computer scientist Dennis Ritchie at Bell Telephone Laboratories. And C is a high-level general-purpose structured programming language. Instruction of C consists of terms that are very closely same to algebraic expressions, consisting of certain English keywords such as if-else, for, do, and while. C contains certain additional features that allows it to be used at a lower level, acting as a bridge between machine language and the high-level languages. This allows C to be used for system programming as well as for applications programming. The next one is the character set of C. C language consists of some character sets, numbers, and special symbols. The character set of C consists of all alphabets of English language. C consists of alphabets, numerics, special symbols, and much more. The words formed from the character set are building blocks of C and sometimes are known as tokens. These tokens represent the individual entity of language. The following different types of tokens used in C are identifiers, keywords, constants, operators, and punctuation symbols. Let's go to the next line. Identifiers. Identifiers. A C program consists of two types of elements, user defined and system defined. Identifiers are nothing but a name given to these elements. An identifier is a word used by a programmer to name a variable, function, or label. Identifiers consist of letters and digits in any order except that the first character or label. Identifiers consist of letters and digits if any order except that the first character must be letter. Both uppercase and lowercase letters can be used. Let's move on to the next topic, which is keywords. Keywords are nothing but system defined identifiers. Keywords are reserved words of the language. They have specific meaning in the language and cannot be used by the programmer as a variable or constant names. C is case sensitive. It means it must be used as it is. There are 32 keywords in C program. The next topic that we are going to do is variables. Variables. A variable is nothing but a name given to a storage area that our programs can manipulate. Each variable in C has a specific type which determines the size and layout of variable's memory, the range of values that can be stored within that memory, and the set of operations that can be applied to the variable. The name of a variable can be composed of letters, digits, and the underscore character. It must begin with either a letter or an underscore. Uppercase and lowercase letters are distinct because C is case sensitive. There are following basic variable types: character, integer, float, double, and void.
Now let us study what a constant. So a constant is a value or an integer whose value cannot be altered in the program. For that you need to write the const keyword, and after that anywhere where that particular identifier will come, that time we'll have that constant value which you have declared in the first. Now we will study what is an integer constant. So an integer constant is a numeric constant which is associated with numbers. Next is a floating constant. So a floating constant is a numeric constant but it has a fractional form. A character constant means which is used as a single quotation. A string constant means like which is used as a double quotation. So the difference between the character constant and the string constant is it has the single quotation and string constant has a double quotation. Now moving further to the escape sequences. Now escape sequences is the execution characters, means they only work during the execution time. In C, these have the special meaning. Like backspace is used as slash b in programming while we code. Then slash f means form feed, then slash n for new lines. So all these escape sequences are there. And the null character, that is the slash 0, is used for strings. Now we will move to the operator. So an operator is a symbol which operates on a value of or a variable. For example, plus is an operator to perform addition. Like there are 8 operators in C programming. We will see each one by one. Now these are the arithmetic operators. So this plus is for addition or unary plus. Then minus sign is for subtraction. This asterisk is for multiplication. This slash is for division. And then this is called as a modulo operator. Now we will see what are the increment and decrement operators. So C programming has two operators, that is increment and decrement. The increment operator means it increases the value by 1, whereas the decrement operator decreases the value by 1. Now, so for example, int a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 100. Now we want to decrement the value of a, so it will be 11, because here it is written that increases the value by 1, and if we want to decrement, then it will be 99, because we are decrementing the value of 100, so that's why it is 99 here. Now let us move further to the C assignment operators. So an assignment operators is used to assign a value. So for example, a is equal to b means that the value of b is assigned to a. So we write it as a is equal to b. So these are the assignment operators. Now we will study what are the relational operators. A relational operator checks the relation between the two operands. These are all the relation operators which shows the relation or which checks the relation between the two operands. So this is the equal to operator, this is greater than, this is less than, this is not equal to, this is greater than or equal to, or this is less than or equal to. Here are the examples of relational operators, that 5 is equal to 3. That means it will return 0. Then 5 is greater than 3 means it will return 1. 5 is greater than 3 means it will return 0. Not equal to 3 means 1. So like that. Now we will see the uses of C in real life. This language is one of the high level languages developed as a fast structured portable and has a rich library. So we all know that it is a high level languages, and that's why it is developed fast and structured and portable. And C to have application across every domain in the world of programming. C is used in C is used in all operating system and computer and cell phone, and even in the programming robots, that is related to artificial intelligence. So thanks for watching.